Hey peeps, it's Mike David Pauline here with Pauline Lawn Works. So I just want to show you what I'm about to do to kill myself. I had to come get the bush hog, the tractor, get it all hooked up. Got to put my uncles, I got to put the box feed back on the trailer. And I don't think I'm going to need the ramps, but we'll see. Let's go for a ride, people. Let's me kill myself. Get the old blue ram. Get my fuzzy, my baby Kubota. Okay, that works. Let's go for a ride. So, let's see if this works. Got it one and done. Y'all ready? Let me line it up a little bit better. This is gonna be the best fail ever. Oh, I kind of like this tractor. Got the brake on. Oh. Yeah, I think it'll work for right now. Let me put y'all on pause and I will be back. I'm going to take this off and then we're going to slide it up. So it sort of worked, except for it sliding off the truck. Yeah, that's not a good idea, people. Don't try this home. I'm an idiot. Let me get this done. I'm gonna back it back up and put the ramps on. Get the yeah, I hit a little screw up. Now what we're going to do, we're going to center it up. This is where I need a cool camera, like one of those action cameras. Can we do it without ramps? Can we do it, people? Haha, no ramps. That's so cool. That's not good. I need a longer trailer. Oh wow. Yeah, that's not too well thought out. Wow. Look at that, peeps. It might work. Oh. Well, that's me in a nutshell. Don't try that at home, especially if you're not going to be safe. But I'm an idiot, so go figure. Well, God bless. Peace out, and I will talk to y'all later. Flip side.